guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record employee expenses on ClearBooks. To record expenses, we need to go to Purchases section, and there is Expenses. If you cannot see this section here, you need to go to Settings, and under Configure System you need to enable feature for expenses. Okay, let's go to Expenses. To record cash expenses or receipts from employees, click on Add Receipt. From here, select from whom you have received this receipt. Either you can actually type in details of receipt by adding new supplier, or select from your list particular employee. In my case, I will select an employee, and plus I will select the same employee claiming. Okay, select the date when this claim has been made. Add the reference, I will say in August. Expense claim, and I will put initials of an employee. Here I can choose an item from my drop-down list, or I can add new item if I wish to, or I can type details of my particular receipt, what employee have claimed. So in my case, I have stationery receipt. Okay, select an account. You can search by typing details, and it will provide details below. So in my case, it's printing and stationery. I have quantity 1 because there is multiple items purchased, and price was 33.35. There is no VAT. I'm not claiming VAT in my case. If you're claiming, add VAT as per receipt information. Okay. If you need to add another line for this particular receipt, you can add another line here. Otherwise, click on X. Okay. Summary, you can add additional notes. We can submit for approval. We can save as a draft or refresh. In my case, I will submit for an approval. Okay, so this entry are currently under approved. When I click on manage, I can attach a scan. Okay, click on upload files, and I will select my stationery for 33.35. Okay, here it is. Click open. And click attach. So now when I click on expenses and I click on Rita K and approved receipts, so 33.35. If I have approval rights, I can select and click approve. Now from an approved section, expense has been moved to approved, and it will be marked for a payment when payment will be due. So in this episode, I showed you how you can record employee expenses on ClearBooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.